I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name.
Alright, back in Chinatown, another beautiful day, riding LA. Out with the LAE skate group on the MinE-Moto. Yo! Ronster! Hey, Sawyer, what's up, bro? Got Jim on my Sur Ron today. Say hi to everybody real quick. How you doing, boss? What's up, dude?
What's up?
Fuck yeah. Oh, we're going right now. Got here just in time.
3,000 watt motor?
6,000.
6,000?
Got suspension on here now. A rear hydraulic brake, no front brake today. I need like a spacer. I'll figure it out. It's a work in progress. Mark, dude, yes. Why have I not seen you in a couple rides? We got the gang out. Woo! Oh my god, the hydraulic brakes and the front fork make this bike a total stunt god. Ooh, scraping the bag, taking that turn. Oh, this is a fun little canyon road. I love this part. Passing everybody, baby. Come on, MinE-Moto. How's the Ron treating you? How's it?
Didn't know that I.
Yeah, you gotta hit that button. Yes, sir. Damn, my bike is sexy. I love watching other people ride it. Damn. Severe lack of front brake. Leading the pack right now.
Dude, I literally just ordered this for my daughter.
Nah, you're not 72 volts.
50 volts.
200 amps though. Let's go.
Trying to flex on me with the stacks. My man, it's already filming.
Around the block, no, I can't keep from me. Tell me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need to eat. If I got it, then you got it. We gon' get back on our feet, and I put that on me. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Or die too young. 100 miles per hour might crash, cause good die young. But here I come. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming.
Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you.
I've seen you do it on the Sur Ron, but seeing you do it on this is hilarious, dude. It's so sick.
Thanks, man. It's just fun, dude. Like,
Seems like it is, dude.
you can't take yourself serious on this thing.
So sick, dude. Yeah.
I need that. I need that hype.
Have that drag race from here to there.
Oh, I'm winning. I'm winning on the MinE-Moto. Come on. Yeah. Look at this. Dual Olins in the back. This is like the most pimped out Onyx I've ever seen. Oh, man down.
I just slipped on water. Oh, watch out for the rain.
Wow, he really just got right back up. Good for him. That was probably not a soft spill. Oh man, I really just did that whole turn. See how far up this hill I can get. Oh, that was for you, bro. You told me to wheelie.
I was gonna say that again. Wow.
Observatory closed.
That's why I'm trying to get now to be able to like. He's like, hell no.
They are filming, and there's a lot of cops everywhere, and they don't want us to like ruin with our sounds and shit.
We're riding tight right now. No more fanny pack.
What's up?
You down to switch real quick? Yeah, Jim on the MinE-Moto. Let's go. Oh. You all right? Sometimes I forget how fucking powerful this bike is. Look at him hauling. Oh, that was a park ranger. Shit. Get some fruit, baby. Thank you. You know exactly what I need to do right now. Can't miss a nice Saturday ride.
Oh, good catch. I'm gonna just go help him get all the food up there for everybody.
He's out. It accelerates immediately and it lets go immediately.
That's scary, and I like it.
Same power.
It's fun as hell. Alright, going over to grill it up. Oh my god.
No, it just went crazy.
All vegan, baby.
We got fried cinnamon bananas with vegan ice cream for the vegan boys. Brown sugar, actually, and like rum and stuff.
Yeah. Are you filming or taking pictures? Yeah, I could do a crazy wheelie for you right now.
They tryna at me, I'm running the race. I gotta pick up the pace. They throwing shade, but I'm gone. You gotta keep it a buck to my face. Taking that gang out of space. Especially if you stay in your place. They hating on all of my songs. I don't know what can I say. They throwing shots, but I'm saved by His grace. God is the shoot, I'm the lace. Running around, got me stoned, man. Feels like I'm stuck in the maze. Shoot at the Oculus occasion. They sipping only 96. I can do it on my own, yeah. They judging me off my mistakes.
Alright. On our way to get some vegan donuts. Let's go. It's like a whole city they set up.
Bro, it's so crazy, dude.
They got like a backyard and shit. Ghosted. Yes, this looks so good. Can I please get an apple fritter A creme brulee and an Oreo donut, please. Boom! All vegan, baby. They got cream in this one. Another great ride with LE Skate. As always, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned.
Yeah, I'm on my